So finally, I've reached the milestone of 100K followers, and it actually gives a very surreal feeling. It's very dreamy. Matlab, I don't know, when I started, I had not thought that I will reach this far. So today in this video, I'll talk about how I started doing and how gradually it all came to where I am right now. So I started this page 3 years back, and 3 years back, I started the page just like that. I did not want to actually become an influencer here on Instagram. I just thought, okay, I am working as a clinician, and मेरे एक clinic का page होना ही चाहिए. My clinic page should be there on Instagram and Facebook. So I created a page, and initially तो I used to post like महीने में एक बार, once a month, or every 2-3 weeks पे I used to post something and all. And then one fine day I thought of making a video about a patient's condition and something. And if you scroll down to those videos, the initial days, it looks very naive and simple, not very fancy editing, nothing major. I'm just talking, recording and posting, जो basic जितना कर सकती थी मैं. And then gradually, when once I started doing it in a little better way, I started getting a lot of appreciation. And the more appreciation I used to get, it used to give me a lot of motivation from my the friends, family, colleagues from the college, where I used to work in hospitals in my earlier days. Everybody started connecting, and they started appreciating, okay, Neha, you're doing great. Just तरह से you have explained, nobody does, and you're very good in explaining things, and it looks very good listening to you. We get a lot of positivity, we get a lot of motivation. Students started connecting, and then I took it a little seriously, and I became more serious and consistent in posting, and that's how it happened. One post to the other, one post to the other. Then I hired a team which used to work for me, and when I find people getting some motivation from what I do and what I say, that gives a little kick, and that gives me the motivation and inspiration to do better. So and trust me, it is not easy. It is definitely not easy creating content, quality content every day. Everybody is seeing Instagram pe people are doing anything to get famous and get likes and views. So giving content which is really informative, good value, which is adding value to anybody's life, is requires a lot of work, lot of thoughts. ट्रस्ट मी थ्रू आउट द डे दिमाग में चलता रहता है, ओके आगे क्या करना है, नेक्स्ट क्या करना है, ये गया कि नहीं गया, वो पोस्ट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, ये फाइनली एडिट हुआ कि नहीं. आई प्रोवाइड पीडीएफ्स ऑन माई पेज, पीडीएफ रेडी हुआ कि नहीं. सो lot of things to be done. And considering I am working not only as an influencer like here on Instagram and YouTube, but I have my clinics. I have two clinics. I have hospital attachments. I have patients to see. I am a mother. I'm a wife. Lot of responsibilities to fulfill, but it at times gets, a little overwhelming. But the love and motivation that I get from you guys really keeps me going. So this video is specially to thank you all for like all the love and motivation and inspiration and support that you guys keep on giving no matter what. So just keep that going, and I will try hard and harder to uplift the content. Thank you so much.